How to add music on Instagram Notes. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music on Instagram Notes. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see the posts that have been shared on the app. After that, tap on the direct messages icon here. This will take you to the direct messages page of your Instagram account as you can see here. Next, make sure you tap on the notes button here. After that, the notes page will open where you can type your note. Also, somewhere here, there is this button that you can use to add music. Make sure you tap on the music button just like you can see here. You will land on this page where you will see a list of different music you can add to your note. You can use any song here. Also, you can go to this search bar here and type the name of the music you are looking for. You will then find the music and then tap on it so that it can be added to the note. You can then go ahead and share the notes with the music. In case the option for adding music is not working on your account or the option is missing, then I will show you how you can get it. First, open or launch either the Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Instagram and check if the Instagram app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get the latest features on the app and also you will get any features that are missing. If after doing that, the feature is still missing, then come back to the Instagram app. After that, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of the app where there are many different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Next, tap on the menu option which appears at the top right corner of the screen. It has a hamburger icon. After that, you will land on the settings and activity page of the app. Next, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach somewhere here at the bottom of the page. After that, make sure you tap this option here named Help. This is the help page of the app. On this page, there are options that you can use to get help on the app. From them, make sure you tap this one named Report a Problem. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the page. Next, make sure you tap this option here. After that, follow along and do just like I'm doing here. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, you will land on this feedback box. On this box, there is a field where you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them just like you can see here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They'll respond to you with a solution. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to add music on Instagram Notes.